Hey y'all, it's Goober Phoenix here, and I'm gonna show you how to use Hyper Studio for your stream on your OBS or your StreamLabs. So what you want to do is you're gonna go to Steam and you're going to download Hyper VTubing Studio. So once that's downloaded, you're gonna go to Hyper Studio, and as you can see, I already have my VTuber model. But there's an option to where you can customize your VTuber model. So there's different like faces, there's different hairstyles you can use, and different outfits and stuff. Although most of the outfits and the hairstyles and all this stuff, they all cost money. Some cost money, but not all of them. So once you're done customizing your VTuber model, you're gonna go to where it says stream. As you can see, my webcam is connected to Hyper Studio. And you can see I'm moving. So for the people who watch my streams on Twitch, you might be wondering, how did you get your little props? So for my streams, I have like a little microphone prop and a chair prop. So you're gonna go to this bar right here, and you're gonna click this button where it says props. Now as you can see, there's like these different props you can use. So let's say, oh, I want flowers in my hair. I have a flower in my hair. What you can do with the props, you can either send it forward, send it back, or if you don't want this prop, you can delete it. Now, for the people who watch my streams and are wondering where I got my microphone and my chair, you see these like little microphones? The one I use is this like pink and purple one. You can shrink it down, and you can place it right there. For the people who want to know where I got my chair, boom. Can make it big to where it looks like I'm sitting down on this nice and cozy chair. I usually put my props and my VTuber model over here. The reason being is that this little thingy doesn't go away when I hit chroma key on OBS. Speaking of OBS, you might be wondering, how do I get my VTuber model onto OBS? So I'm going to show you that right now. Oh. So what you want to do is you're going to hit camera effects, and then you're going to go to chroma key. Normally, you would hit the green one. Now you're going to go down here where it says virtual webcam. You're going to click that. Then you're going to go to OBS or StreamLabs, and you're going to go to sources. You're going to click this plus button right here. Then you're going to go to video capture device. And let's say, oh, I want to name it VTuber. Now you're going to click this, then you're going to click hyper camera. And click OK. Now you see that my VTuber is on OBS. You can shrink it down and yeah, pretty much. But you might be wondering, how do I get rid of this green screen effect? So, I'll shrink my VTuber model down so that you can see what I'm doing. So you're gonna go to filters, then you're gonna click this little plus button, then you're gonna hit chroma key. Click OK, and boom, the green screen effect is gone. And that is how you get your Hyper Studio VTuber model onto OBS. And if you're wondering if it's different from StreamLabs, don't worry, it's like the same thing. So don't freak out if you don't have OBS or if you don't have StreamLabs. Don't worry, it's the same thing. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.